క్వాడ్రాటిక్ ఎక్స్ప్రెషన్స్ లో ఫస్ట్ ఎక్సర్సైజ్ లో అంటే ఎక్సర్సైజ్ 3A లో ఫస్ట్ రోమన్ లో ప్రాబ్లమ్స్ మనం డిస్కస్ చేద్దాం. ఫైండ్ ద రూట్స్ ఆఫ్ ది ఫాలోయింగ్ ఫస్ట్ క్వశ్చన్. అందులో యాక్చువల్గా అయితే 5 క్వశ్చన్స్ ఉన్నాయి. వాటిల్లో మనం 2, 3, 4 ఆన్సర్ చేద్దాం. సెకండ్ క్వశ్చన్, -x² + x + 2 = 0. రైట్? Solution. Given equation is -x² + x + 2 = 0. Compare given equation with ax² + bx + c = 0. Implies a is equal to -1, b is equal to 1, c is equal to 2. To find the equation roots, the formula is x is equal to -b plus or minus square root of b square minus 4ac divided by 2a. Right? X is equal to -b minus 1 plus or minus b square 1 square minus 4ac. C value is 2 under root divided by 2. Now the simplification is -1 plus or minus into minus plus kada 8. 4 times 2 8 divided by 2. ఇక్కడ 2 into 1, 2 into -1, 2a కదా, 2 into -1, ఇది -2. Next is equal to -1 plus or minus of 9 divided by -2. Square root of 9 అంటే 3 divided by -2. -1 plus 3 by -2. -1 minus 3 by -2. 2 by -2. -4 by -2. Result is -1, 2. Last step. Therefore, roots is equal to -1, -2. This is the second problem. Now, let us move on to the next question, third question. This is the third question. 2x² + 3x + 2 = 0. The solution is, given equation is 2x² 3x + 2 = 0. Compare given equation with ax² + bx + c = 0. So that a is equal to 2, b is equal to 3, c is equal to 2. Right? Formula x is equal to -b plus or minus square root of b square minus 4ac by 2a. X is equal to -3 plus or minus b square 3 square 4ac under root divided by 2a, 2 times 2. X is equal to -3 plus or minus 9 minus 4 to 2, value is 16 divided by 4. Right? Square root lo negative kada. Simplification. X is equal to -3 plus or minus square root of -1 divided by 4. స్క్వేర్ రూట్లో నెగిటివ్ వస్తే -3 ప్లస్ ఆర్ మైనస్ √7 times I by 4. స్క్వేర్ రూట్లో నెగిటివ్ వస్తే I రాస్తాం. I పైన డిస్కషన్ మనకు కాంప్లెక్స్ నెంబర్స్లో ఉన్నది. Therefore, last step, roots is equal to -3 plus √7I by 4, comma, -3 minus √7I by 4. This is the solution, right? Now, let us move on to the next question, fourth question. Solution. Given equation is √3x square plus 10x minus 8√3 is equal to 0. Compare given equation with ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. Implies a is equal to √3, b is equal to 10, c is equal to minus 8√3. The formula for calculating the roots is x is equal to minus b plus or minus square root of b square minus 4ac by 2a. X is equal to minus 10 plus or minus b square ante 10 square 4ac minus 8√3 under root whole divided by 2a 2√3. X is equal to minus 10 plus or minus 100. లోపల మనకు 2 నెగటివ్స్ ఉన్నాయి. మైనస్ ఇంటూ మైనస్ ప్లస్ లోపల రిజల్ట్ 4 times 8 32. 32 times √3 3. 32 times 3 96 whole divided by 2√3 whole divided by 2√3, right? Continuation. X is equal to minus 10 plus or minus of √196 by 2√3. X is equal to minus 10 square root of 196 value 14 divided by 2√3, and next simplification, x is equal to minus 10 plus 14 by 2√3 minus 10 minus 14 by 2√3. X is equal to 4 by 2√3 minus 24 by 2√3. 2 cancel, first value low. X is equal to 2 by √3. 2 indulo 12 times 12 లో √3. 12 ని 4 into 3 రాసుకోవచ్చు, minus 4√3. Last step, roots is equal to 2 by √3 minus 4 by √3. Okay, now? Thank you.